Geomorphers, this is video number 2 of some calculations we're doing today, and for the next step we want to go over how to do some conversions of volume, because this is a little bit different from linear conversions because we've got cubic units here. So let's say we're going to start with a volume of 15.3 cubic feet, and we want to convert that to cubic inches, cubic meters, and cubic centimeters. So the main thing to remember on volume conversions is that you need to cube the conversion factor. So let's start with our initial volume of 15.3 cubic feet. And everybody knows that there are 12 inches per foot. Right? 12 inches per foot. But this is not going to get us there because we need to actually cube this entire quantity. So we're going to end up taking 12 cubed and multiply that by 15.3. And so when we do that, it comes out to be a really big number. 2.64 times 10 to the 4 cubic inches. Right? So you want to cube this quantity, then multiply it by 15.3. Similarly, if we're going to do it into cubic meters, we'll start with our initial quantity here. And there are 3.281 feet in every meter, so I'm going to put that in the denominator, 3.281 feet per meter. But again, we have to cube that entire quantity. So when we do that and we do the calculation, it should come out to 0.433 cubic meters. And again, both these calculations I'm keeping 3 significant digits because that's what we started. So the cubic feet cancel out because we're cubing the entire quantity. So in other words, what we're doing is taking 15.3, dividing it by 3.281 3 times. If we want to put that into cubic centimeters, I'll do the whole conversion, the whole calculation again. 15.3 feet cubed divided by 3.281 feet for every meter. Cubing that. And now we want to convert to centimeters. So there are 100 centimeters in every meter, but I'm going to cube that quantity. So in other words, I'm going to take 15.3 divided by 3.281 cubed, and then multiplied by 100 cubed. And when we do that, we come out to 4.33 times 10 to the 5. I think I've got that right. Cubic centimeters. Let me just do that calculation here, double check my initial calculation. 15.3, hope you can see my calculator, and I'll divide by 3.281, but I'm going to do that 3 times, so I'm going to cube that. And then I will multiply times 100, and I'll cube that. And it come out to 4.33 times 10 to the 5. Again, 3 significant digits. So that's how we do volume conversions. If we were doing an area conversion, we would simply square our length conversion, and then we'd be set.